Hello, Tribe Forex traders. Today is April 13th, 2015, and we're doing really well in the markets as of late. What I'm looking for in this next few sessions is most likely a retracement and then a drop on the euro dollar, specifically on the dollar denominated pairs. So let's talk about what that looks like. So I'm expecting a retracement first. So maybe the market may go up, and for that reason we're looking for on the euro dollar. I've only got trades and calls on the euro dollar, the dollar Swiss, and the pound dollar. So let's go over those really quickly. So on the euro dollar, I'm looking for a retracement up to 1.0706. Okay, so that's where my cursor is, all the way up here. So it's quite a bit of retracement I'm expecting. I'm expecting about 140 pips of a retracement. When we get to this level, which is a very strong area of support and resistance for us, specifically as we look in the daily, an area of support and resistance that we had previously, we're going to look for price to get up there, where price dropped down and really bounced up strongly. We're going to look for that to be an area of resistance for us. So 1.0706 sell on the euro dollar. Okay. What else am I going to be looking for? If you have your Tribe Forex Quattro, I'm going to look for the Quattro to take a sell here. Now, mine is going to be different than yours. I'm going to actually be setting my Quattro up for a 2% set. Make sure the TS bars is set to 12. And, you should have 1.5 on the TP factor and SL factor. That's all in there set up. So just make sure that your auto sell is clicked and look for a sell as we get up to these higher areas, 1.0, whatever it is. So just don't worry about putting a line on there. Just make sure that it's on, and it will take that trade for you. Right now we have changed from red to green. So when we have a change back to green to red, you should expect a sell on the Quattro. Okay, so having said that, that is the completely done for the euro dollar. So 1.0706 for the auto rev, auto bias, and Quattro sell. That's what we're looking for, and those can take automatically. All right, on the dollar Swiss. On the dollar Swiss, I'm actually going to look for a 97.16 buy. So I'm looking for price to come quite a bit down and then hit this pod strongest and really bounce off that area. We also have a 50 EMA that's approaching 97.16. And we also have some other confluence on lower levels. So 97.16 on the dollar Swiss is what we're looking for a bounce off of. Okay. And lastly, the pound dollar. Now you can see here on the daily, the pound dollar has a buy reversal candle. Beautiful buy reversal candle. So for the time being, although we're in a sell trade, we've got to be careful with taking a sell off of this level, so we're not going to be calling anything close. Based off of this sell all the way down, you can see that price is actually reacting at that 0% at the lowest low of the previous days. We're going to look for price to come back up, and we're going to take a sell at 1.4804, which is a previous area of support, which is now going to be resistance for us. Okay, so 1.4804 is going to be where we're going to look for a sell, and we're going to look for price to move all the way up there, which is about 140 pips away as well. Okay, so watch out for those trades. So we've got, once again, if I can recap, we've got the euro dollar where we're looking for a sell off of 1.0706 or a Quattro sell. So one way or the other, we're going to get into a trade here. The dollar Swiss, we're going to look for a buy at 97.16, and on the pound dollar, we're going to look for a sell at 1.4804. The dollar Swiss and the pound dollar will be taking on the auto rev or the auto bias. Right now, I recommend you guys use the auto rev, okay, and look for trades there. And that's it. As far as the other trades are concerned, we have no real clarity on the different currency pairs. The pound yen looks like a buy, but we're going to wait and see how that turns out. And the euro yen looks like a sell, but we're not ready to take that right now. We don't want to have too much risk, too much exposure on euro-based pairs, so we're not going to do that as well. So we've got those three trades. Guys, I look forward to talking to you tomorrow for another edition of the Tribe Forex Power Hour. All the best. Bye-bye.